morning, my dear students. It's me, Kamal Pokharel. Today it is the 21st day of virtual class of Standard 5. Today we will discuss about think and answer. It is from Anuradha Koirala, same lesson. Previously we discussed about Anuradha Koirala. Today we will do this exercise. Think and answer. It is from page number 55. Page number 55. Question number 1. Look. What is social work? Can you do it? What is social work? Can you do it? You can give the answer in your own word, but I have also written here. It is just idea for you. It is not necessary to write the same answer. What do you think about this? About this, the question. What is social work? Can you do it? Here I have written, social work is the service of the people in the society. Social work is the service of the people in the society. This kind of service is given without taking money. Without taking money. Yes. Okay. Can you do it? Yes. Of course I can do it. Okay. If I help the poor and the needy people in the society, it is also social work. Social work is that type of the service which is given, which is provided to the peoples who are needy, okay, who need our help. That is the social work. Question number 1. Question number 2. What do you think should be done to those who are involved in human trafficking? मानव तस्कर, मान्छेको व्यापार गर्ने, मान्छेको बेचबिखन गर्ने, ह्युमन trafficking. What do you think should be done to those who are involved in human trafficking activities? I think, answer, it is my thought. I think they should be given hard punishment. I think they should be given hard punishment according to the law. Okay, and their property should be seized. जफत गरिनुपर्छ. And their property should be seized. Property means सम्पत्ति. They should be kept in the prison at least 20 years. Okay. This is my views about this. You can give your own views also. Again, what do you think should be done to those who are involved in human trafficking? I think they should be given hard punishment and their property should be seized. They should be kept in the prison at least 20 years. Okay. Question number 3. Is girl trafficking a shameful crime? Is girl trafficking a shameful crime? What do you think about this? Yes, I think yes, it is shameful and condemnable crime. Okay, अत्सर्ना योग्य, घृणा योग्य, shameful, लज्जाजनक. It is the shameful crime, shameful and condemnable crime. Again, is girl trafficking a shameful crime? Yes, it is shameful and condemnable crime. Question number 4. How do you want to control human trafficking in our country? How do you want to control human trafficking in our country? मानव तस्कर कसरी कन्ट्रोल गर्न चाहन्छ? How do you want to control human trafficking in our country? Answer: we should educate children. We should educate children, women and girls. Okay, women, girls. Okay, we should educate children, women and girls about the tricks used by traffickers. Yes, we should educate them. We should tell them how they trick them. Okay. If we educate them properly, then they will not be tricked by traffickers. We should conduct awareness campaign. Okay, awareness. चेतनामूलक कार्यक्रमहरू, चेतनामूलक awareness. We should conduct awareness campaign in rural area, especially in the rural area. Now next here vocabulary. This is exercise 3A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, choosing the correct word from the list. List is given in the book. Okay, list is given in the book in page number 55. You have to fill up. Okay, here I will give you idea. Anuradha Koirala is the there is one word director. Anuradha Koirala is the director of Mighty Nepal. Director. She is the director of. Director means Nirdesak. Mighty Nepal is a non-profit making. Non-profit. Okay. It is not established for profit. It is the social organization, so it is non-profit organization. Mighty Nepal is a non-profit making organization. Non-profit making organization. 3 number. Anuradha Koirala is a dash of Anti-Human Trafficking Act. Kriyakala. Anuradha Koirala is actually she is a campaigner. Yes. She is the campaigner of anti-human Abhiyan Karta. Campaigner Abhiyan Karta. Anuradha Koirala is a campaigner. There is the word campaigner of anti-human trafficking. Anti-human trafficking. Question number 4. 4 number. Mighty Nepal is a dash for girls and women rescued from the brothel in India. Okay. Mighty Nepal is a, actually this is refugee. REFUGGG. Refugee for girls and women rescued from the brothel in India. Question number 5. Mighty Nepal also conduct women empowerment program. Empowerment program. Yes. Empowerment program. महिला सशक्तिकरण. Empowerment program. Okay. Mighty Nepal also conduct women empowerment. Empowerment means women empowerment. महिला सशक्तिकरण. To make able. Okay. To make women able to do something. महिला सशक्तिकरण. Women empowerment program. Mighty Nepal provide dash counseling to girls who are not at risk of trafficking. Who are at risk of trafficking. Mighty Nepal provide psychological counseling. Psychological counseling. Counseling means परामर्श. Psychology मनोवैज्ञानिक परामर्श. Counseling to girls who are at risk of trafficking. Question number 7. Anuradha Koirala has received both national and international award. International award. Okay. Once from here, Maiti Nepal is a refugee for girls and women rescued from the brothel in India. 5 number, Maiti Nepal also conduct women empowerment program. Maiti Nepal provide psychological counseling to girls who are at risk of trafficking. 7 number, Anuradha Koirala has received both national and international award. Okay, dear students, this was for today. I hope that you will write all in your notebook and learn this, and you will prepare well for the examination also. This was for today. Thank you.